From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could triple the space in your closet without breaking a sweat? Are you using the right hangers, specifically the Hangers Wire Hangers Heavy Duty Clothes Hanger by WYCQKL? This top-rated product has taken the world by storm, with many customers purchasing and reviewing it, and for good reason. The space-saving design of these metal hangers allows you to make full use of your wardrobe's limited space, keeping your closet well organized and clutter-free, with a smooth texture that won't snag your clothes. The multifunctional coat hanger design means you can hang anything from pants to dresses to jackets without worrying about them bowing in the middle, causing wrinkles or ugly creases, and the sound of clothes gently swaying on the hanger is a testament to its sturdiness. The anti-slip groove on both sides is particularly useful for hanging delicate items like lingerie or clothes with straps, giving you a sense of security and peace of mind, and the feel of the clothes staying in place is reassuring. In real-life use, these hangers have proven to be a game-changer, especially for those with limited closet space, and the result is a more organized and streamlined closet. The durable metal frame and rust-resistant coating ensure that these hangers will withstand the test of time, and the excellent after-sales service provided by WYCQKL gives you added confidence in your purchase. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or simply someone who values a clutter-free living space, the Hangers Wire Hangers Heavy Duty Clothes Hanger is a must-have, so why not give it a try and experience the difference for yourself? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.